Hey guys, today it looks like we're building a stand here for these plants I have right here. I got some different kind of plants here, and what I'm going to be doing is making my own Topsy Turvy. So right now what I'm doing is building a stand, and I'm going to hang these pots onto it, and then flip these upside down, and have them poke to the bottom. Alright, let's get to it, and see how it comes out. Alright, so it looks like we got this all assembled. Now we just gotta get it painted and then put the pots on there. We should be good to go. Alright, so what we gotta do next is we're gonna be having these buckets here. These are gonna be the Topsy Turvies. So what I gotta do now is I've got this right here. I'm gonna take out, I think it's this one right here, my name. And we're just gonna cut a hole. This worked perfectly. Right on the bottom here. And then we'll put the plant through there, but we're also gonna take off a couple little sheaf of this material. And we can put a little slit through there and plant that first, that way all the dirt and stuff stays inside. Well, it's supposed to turn on. There it is. Exactly what we wanted. Now we're just going to be repeating that step. Now, just going to get this fabric right here. Find a good little amount of it. If we want. And just cut it. Looks like we can do about 2 out of 1. Take this. One sheaf for this one. One sheaf for that one. And got to cut a little piece more. So you're just going to put this right over the top like this. And follow it right down. Make sure you get all the leaves in there. Just like so. It's going through it. And then we're just going to follow the same procedure. This. becomes a little bit difficult. Just like so, like that. See every plant sticking out perfectly like that on the bottom. And this is how it kind of looks like on inside of it. Be very careful here that you don't break the stem. That's how it looks right there. And then now we just have to add our dirt to it once it's upside down, like that. Alright, so now I got all the pots here hanging on the thing. Just got done being dry from painting. I put it in the position of where I want it to be. Now all I gotta do is go ahead and put the dirt in. I got this nice gardening dirt right here. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up. Well, there you have it. All the dirt's filled in there. I got my cucumber here, my gypsy sweet pepper here, and my slicing tomato right there. So there it is. My tomato plant is hanging right there. My gypsy pepper and the cucumber. Right now it looks like there's a little bit stressed right now. Just gotta add some water there and everything, make them nice and good. But the soil is nice and moist in here, and that's exactly how my hanging planter looks. Well guys, thanks for watching another episode here of Jeep H7 Adventures, and here's my goldfish a little bit more. Yep, they seem to be doing good. Lily pads are doing great, and the water lettuce is getting real nice and good. But until next time, see you guys.